Hello everyone, today I will tell you about LafePro infrared sauna blanket. You need to plug in it here. After this you can choose temperature from 1 all the way to 9, and you can put the timer up to 60 minutes. I'm an athlete and it's a great tool for me for recovery after my training. So it came with this additional wrap for sweat even more. So guys, this is how LafePro infrared sauna blanket looks. This is towel and the controller. You connect it to the power, and I will show you how to fit in this LafePro sauna. I'm 5'10" and 165 pounds. So let's go get in. You need open from the side and not open on the full. Then you close it, lay it down, and you can lay like this. Arms here, or you can go full and your arms inside. My legs is here, so I feel myself comfortable. Also, when I do legs workout day, so I can sit like this and my legs will be recovery, and I can read, I can do my work, and you can do it as well. So it's really easy, really comfortable. And you can choose the temperature level, you can add the time if you need. So going outside, it's easy. You can open it like this. You can see for the cleaning, it's easy to clean. You just clean it with a towel and give it like 5-10 minutes, lay like this, and then it will be nice, clean and dry. Guys, this will be a great present for any holidays. So check it out. I get this one from my wife and I really like it, and I'm grateful to her I get present like this. Check it out. Thank you for watching.